Hey guys, welcome to Blizz Reviews. I got another unboxing of Geek Fuel. This is for the month of July. So let's get it started. Alright. Like I said, I normally like Geek Fuel a lot because it has a lot of value, normally. So I'm a big fan of it. Okay, this normally comes with every box. It's their own magazine. So obviously has the face of Captain America. It's advertising Civil War. So awesome. Read that later. Okay, so this is a poster. Let's check it out. Right. Aliens. Vampirilla. Okay, take a look at that. Pretty cool. We'll look at that in a minute. Downloadable game. They always do that. I'm not going to show you the back of that, which I have a really nasty habit of doing, but these look like they're candy. So that's cool. Burn Stars. Well, Burn Star. There's no S. Okay. A mystery box. Man, these things are always super hard to get into. I don't know why. Oh, that's cool. Shot glass. Ant-Man shot glass. That's cool. That will get to good use with me. Alright. Oh, that's really cool. Civil War comic book. Certificate of Authenticity. That's awesome. See, this is why I love the box. It's worth its value. That's cool. Okay. Alright, so let's do pendant. I don't know what it is. It looks cool. It's pretty cool. Alright, now the shirt. You can tell just by looking at it, I'm gonna love this. This has Harley Quinn on the front. That is cool. The turtle shells from Mario, Harley Quinn, Zelda, and Batman. How cool is that? I think that's awesome. Who's there in the corner? I can't make it out. Oh, it's a Star Wars guy. Alright. Well, this has been Blizz Reviews. I hope you guys have liked the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. You guys have a good one.